so many of you are stuck on what your YouTube channel should be about. By the end of this video, you're going to have clarity on the next steps and the techniques needed to generate a bucket full of ideas. So let's dive right in with these 3 quick steps to create a never-ending list of YouTube channel ideas. Strategy 1 is stop, look and listen. Go and get a pen and paper, then I want you to do this quick task. Go find a spot in your house, street, garden, city centre, wherever you like, then take a look around you. Observe the world. As I stand here now in my little office, I can see books, camera, half-dead plant, equipment, laptop, other technology. I can see my garden out the window, the sound of cars on the road, or the fighting of my kids as they argue over the TV remote, exercise equipment, clothes, home decoration, so many things, and I haven't moved from this spot. All of that in just 30 seconds stood in my room. All of these have got the potential to be a channel idea. Now, if you want an infinite amount of ideas, then do this. Go and sit your backside down, turn the TV on and channel hop. Look at the adverts, the products, the type of show. Maybe you're interested in history, crime, world news, or something more niche like home baking. Make a list of all the things you see or hear. The ideas are endless. And whilst this is a great technique, there's always a chance if you don't pick the right topic, you could get bored and quit, unless you consider strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 is baby steps. Someone may have told you that YouTube is easy and parts of it are, yet only a few truly make it on YouTube. And that's because a lot of people jump in, create content about something they think they're interested in, but get bored really easily. If that's something that you often do, then consider hobbies and interests, and here is why. Now, you're going to need to create a lot of content. It has to be something that you find worthwhile so that you stay motivated. Now, one thing many of us do is create channels about a particular hobby or talent. Now, that could be anything from dancing, sewing, football, crafts, gaming, video editing, graphic design, you name it, there'll be someone doing it. Use your existing skills and knowledge to teach others all the things about your topic or niche. But what if you don't have any hobbies or feel like you're bang average at everything? How could you possibly teach others? Well, believe it or not, that could be your superpower rather than weakness. Take my channel. I work in IT. I spend my days turning things off and on again.
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Yet when I started on YouTube, I had to learn loads about video editing, animation, software, marketing, and so on. I generated video ideas because I had the very same questions myself. It would be the exact same thing for gardening, just as an example. I know nothing about it, so I would start with basic questions that I ask myself, then eventually move on to the trickier, more advanced topics in that niche. And that's okay. We don't all have to start as experts. For the first few years, you can just be a relatable beginner that's teaching the person 2 steps behind you. Not the career veteran or gardening extraordinaire. They aren't your audience. The absolute beginner is. So really, you can create a YouTube channel about absolutely anything and build it slowly by documenting your own journey. And we do this following a very simple process. Learn, do, teach. So let's say that you've got a drawing channel. For example, learn how to draw an elephant. Watch every video, read every blog post, practice, and then when you're confident that you can draw an elephant, teach someone else by incorporating all of the different techniques and tips and tricks and hacks that you just learned. The best part is that people see you as a relatable beginner. They identify themselves with you, and that gives them hope. Now, this strategy is great even if you're an absolute beginner. It means anyone can start a YouTube channel as long as they're hardworking, but often the problem is they want to make money through YouTube, and this can take too long, which is why you need to be aware of strategy number 3. Most people assume the only way to make money on YouTube is to build your channel to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, meet the YouTube ad network requirements, apply to be a partner, then sit back and earn from your videos, which is nice. But it took me over a year to reach that point. Instead, I started making money way before that using affiliate marketing. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry that's used by influencers, companies, and content creators on any platform. You simply recommend products and services using your unique affiliate link, and if someone buys that product, you earn a commission. Now, you might be wondering how that will give you a YouTube channel idea. Well, let me explain. In this strategy, we're going to begin by choosing the affiliate products first. That's right, we're going to create the channel in reverse. We'll decide on the products that will make us money, and then we'll evolve our channel around them. Now, between me and you, the highest paying affiliate opportunities are usually in training courses, software, or luxury items. I've got a friend that creates content about gold investments who can make huge commissions. Now, obviously, one thing that you can do is Google high-ticket affiliate programs to get some suggestions. Look on sites like ClickBank, Digistore24, or even Capterra, which has got lists of software. Look at the names of some of the more popular products on there and then search for their affiliate program. As an example, ClickFunnels sales funnel software pays 30 to 40% every month if someone signs up using your link. And bear in mind they can charge $97 to nearly $300 a month. That soon adds up. GetResponse email marketing pays $100 for every sign up. HubSpot pays on average $276. Kinsta blog hosting pays up to $500. But you don't have to go for the high ticket commissions. Some programs pay recurring revenue, like Jasper, which is an AI writing assistant. They pay 30% of every sign up for as long as that person is a member. So let's choose Jasper as an example. Now, you probably don't want to create a channel all about Jasper because then you're tied into that product. What if Jasper went bust or was no more? You need to make sure that there are alternatives to that product or even complementary products that your audience could need. Instead, base your channel on an audience who would benefit from Jasper. So look at their page, figure out who their target market is. Who needs help with their writing? It could be bloggers, influencers, marketers, agency owners, entrepreneurs, and so on. Now think of the content these people would want to see, the videos they may search for, and that is where you focus your efforts. Let's take blogging as an example. Now I won't lie, it's hugely competitive because it's a great way to make money. There are loads of well-paid affiliate products in that niche. So go back to strategy 2 as well, and let's say you're starting your first blog. Think about every question, every idea, everything that you do to get started with blogging. Create videos based on those topics, document your journey, and use your content to promote Jasper, to promote blog hosting, to promote training courses. It sounds very financially driven, but there's no shame in that if you're promoting quality products. And you may find the monetary rewards are exactly the motivation you need to keep going. Now I hope that's given you an idea of what your channel should be about. Let me know in the comments what niche you're considering, and the next video on screen is going to really help you too, so watch it.